Hi, my name is Liran. I'm 24 years old. I'm working at Saudi German Hospital. I joined this contest because I want to explore my talent and I want to meet new friends. I know I can win this competition because I know I have the unique talent which everyone will adore. Baby, baby, if you touch me like this, and if you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. If you see me like this, and if you see me like that, it was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. The flesh and the fantasies all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back.